Hi everyone, this is Kerem speaking and I'm running TechJourno, which is covering global tech startup and sustainability stories. In today's video, I'm going to talk about India's iPhone production and export. But before jumping into details, I will have a request from you. I will be happy if you subscribe to my channel. Now let's get back to the video. I came across this story at ndtv.com and the article says iPhone exports from India is over $2.5 billion between April 2022 and December 2022. And this number is almost doubling as compared to 2021. Yes, this is a part of Apple's strategy, moving away the production from China to different countries. And as you know, there's a geopolitical tension between China and Taiwan. So it's a wiser decision for Apple to leave to take the production from China to different countries. And at the moment, I'll get back to India again. And at the moment, Apple has two manufacturers in India. One of them is Forcecon, and the other one is Wistron. And these two companies exported more than $1 billion iPhones. And in addition, Apple has a contract manufacturer in India which is called Pegatron. And this company is exported $500 million of iPhones. So all in all, India's iPhone exports will exceed $2.5 billion. And also I will give you some data about the number of iPhones manufactured in India. The data, according to Bloomberg Intelligence, revealed that 3 million iPhones manufactured in India in 2021. And I will also give some the data about from China for 2021. China manufactured 230 million iPhones in 2021. The second part of the story is about how China is achieving such a thing. First of all, there is a political will behind this decision because Prime Minister Narendra Modi's plan to make the country as an alternative to China as a factory to the world. To do that, his government announced a program called Production Linked Incentives, namely PLI. This program offers subsidies equivalent to 6% of production costs for 5 years once certain performance criteria are met. As a side note, Forcecon received $44 million as a part of this program. And for the first year of the program. And on the other hand, India is planning to start a different incentive program for laptop makers and tablet makers. So there's another reason why India is attractive to investors, which is the labor costs. And some data revealed that the labor cost is at least minimum at least 50% lower than China. And by the way, Bloomberg Intelligence estimates that if Apple wants to move out the production from China, it would take about 8 years to move just 10% of Apple's production capacity. In this video, I wanted to explain India's Apple move as a manufacturing hub. I hope this video has been informative to you. If yes, please remember to subscribe to my channel, like my videos and post your comments below. Also, turn on your notifications to hear about the latest video. Thank you for your time and see you soon with the new videos, and bye for now.